So,
Wow.
oh,
Big arrow.
this looks very bad. So, of course, we're talking about bad trends, so downward trends. So here I have some vocabulary. So downward trends, when something goes bad. We have a list of verbs here. Some of them can be both nouns and verbs. So like to go down, decrease. Decrease can be both a verb and a noun. Lower, slow down, diminish, drop, fall, and decline. Or we can have stronger verbs or nouns like slump or tumble, plummet or plunge. And here we have adjectives. Some can be used both in positive and negative trends. Alarming and alarmingly, of course, this is more negative. Quick and quickly, fast and fast, it's the same. So adjective and adverb are the same. Then sharp and sharply, dramatic, dramatically, slow, slowly, steady, steadily, gradual, gradually, sudden, and suddenly. So here's a list of words and verbs, and I picked 3, which I'd like to show you. So the first example is, this is not about the COVID-19 directly, but it's, I took these examples from the news showing consequences of the COVID-19. US airlines are seeing a dramatic drop in travel demand. So this has been a consequence of the COVID-19 pandemic. And here we're using the present progressive plus an adjective, a noun, and an object. So the US airlines are saying, so that means at the moment, dramatic means it's quite negative, and drop means a decreasing trend in travel demand. And I'd like to point out the preposition in. So there has been seen a dramatic drop in travel demand. Okay, now the second example, again with the present progressive plus an adjective and a noun. Prices are tumbling at an alarming rate. So tumbling, it's quite negative. And again, we have the present continuous, so showing a current trend. And then we have alarming as an adjective. And my third example is the number of cases has slowed markedly in recent days. So here we have the present perfect plus an adverb. We have a strong adverb, markedly, which means in a strong way. And we have the present perfect because we're using in recent days. So I'd like to show it on the timeline here below. So why are we using the present perfect? Because this is something which has started in the past and it's still affecting the present. So we're seeing the consequences, the effects of this trend still in the present. So past and present are linked together. That's why we use the present perfect. And in recent days is a time expression where we usually use the present perfect with. Okay, so these are my these were my three examples, and that's all for me.
Thank you, Ioria.